Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the render scaling setting in Heartopia. Let's begin by opening the watch menu. Do so by pressing this icon right here, or the corresponding button. For me is the tab button on my keyboard. And as you can see, now in the watch I simply go down and into the settings. In settings, make sure you're in the graphics tab, second from the top. Then look for image precision or render scale. This controls the quality of textures, how textures look on models. You can choose between ultra, low, medium and high. I will keep with the ultra render scale, and there is a single note. Changing this setting won't change anything right away. You need to exit the game and launch it once again for the change to apply. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.